Yep, this is today's challenge. Removing the blower motor from 2008 Mercedes E350. First thing, it's on the right hand side, on this one anyway. Remove this panel from underneath the dash. That is 2 Torx. Sorry, that is right in my face and in yours. I think this is a 20, let me check. T25. Okay, and then the next is, if you look up here, you can see this is the casing and that's the regulator there. And there are screws up here, but they are, hang on, I'm not sure which T they are, so let me find out. And they're not easy to get into. That, hang on. T15, very small. Right, let's get them. Right, there it is. A regulator and the motor. So I'm going to take that out now, see if I can test it. By the way, anybody know what this is? This thing here? It's got a... Oh, what that does. Anybody know? Right, let's get it out. Right, looks like we do have a defective motor and a defective regulator. When testing the regulator, if I'm correct, and this is pin number 1 up here in this top right hand corner, you should get a reading from pin number 1 to all 3 of these pins. I only get it to pin 3 and pin 4. I don't get anything on pin 2, if that is pin 2. Hang on, where's my little light gone? Yeah, so top right in the picture is pin number 1. Directly below it is number 2. Over to the left of number 2 is number 4, and then number 3 is above that. Anyway, I got a reading between 1 and 3 and 1 and 2, but nothing between 1 and 4. And I believe I should have a reading in all of those. Also then, when I tested by connecting a 12-volt supply here, the fan didn't move. So it's pretty old. I think it's just given up the ghost. So I'm replacing the whole lot. Found them on Amazon, total cost of $76. So that's not too bad. And then it's a matter of fitting it back. There you go.